Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about identities. We can put into s minus number 2 everything to the power of 2. Later that we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s minus number 2 square plus b over s minus number 2. Later that we do common denominator. So for this one we keep the same. This one it is missing about s minus number 2, so capital B multiplied by s minus number 2. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So I will put a cone here. So we have s, that means we have 5s. So b equals to number 5. About the numbers, we have a minus 2b equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. So b equals to number 5 and a minus 2b equals to number 2. And now we can find the solutions of a and b in here. So 8 equals to number 12, b equals to number 5. So we put a and b, go back in here. And now we have the integration. So 8 equals to number 12, b equals to number 5. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.